Imagine a sweltering summer day, the sun relentlessly beating down, and your car's air conditioning struggles to deliver anything beyond lukewarm air. This common frustration isn't just an inconvenience, it represents a fundamental inefficiency in a system designed for occupant comfort and safety. The ability to maintain a consistent, cool cabin temperature directly impacts driver alertness and passenger well-being, especially during long journeys or in extreme climates. When the system underperforms, the underlying causes are often complex, requiring a systematic approach to diagnosis and resolution. Understanding these factors is the first step toward restoring peak cooling capacity and enhancing your driving experience. The automotive air conditioning system operates on a fundamental thermodynamic principle, transferring thermal energy from the vehicle's interior to the outside environment. This intricate process involves a closed loop of refrigerant, which undergoes precise phase changes, from gas to liquid and back again, facilitated by several interconnected mechanical components. The entire cycle is engineered to absorb heat from the cabin air, effectively lowering its temperature and humidity. Any disruption to this continuous heat exchange mechanism directly compromises the system's ability to cool, leading to discomfort and reduced efficiency. At the core of the AC system's functionality is the compressor, a belt-driven pump that mechanically pressurizes and circulates the refrigerant. This action transforms the low-pressure, low-temperature gaseous refrigerant into a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. Following this, the high-pressure gas is directed to the condenser, a heat exchanger typically mounted at the front of the vehicle. Here, ambient airflow passing over its fins allows the refrigerant to dissipate its absorbed heat to the atmosphere, causing it to condense into a high-pressure liquid state, ready for the next stage of cooling. From the condenser, the high-pressure liquid refrigerant then travels to the expansion valve or orifice tube. This critical component regulates the flow of refrigerant and significantly drops its pressure and temperature as it enters the evaporator. Inside the evaporator, a second heat exchanger located within the dashboard, the now low-pressure, cold liquid refrigerant rapidly absorbs thermal energy from the warm cabin air blown across its surface. This absorption causes the refrigerant to vaporize back into a low-pressure gas, which then returns to the compressor, completing the cycle and ensuring continuous cooling. One of the most prevalent and often misunderstood causes of diminished cooling performance is an insufficient charge of refrigerant. Unlike consumable fluids, refrigerant is not designed to deplete. Therefore, a low level unequivocally indicates a leak somewhere within the otherwise sealed AC system. Even minute leaks, persistent over time, can lead to a substantial loss of refrigerant, which directly impairs the system's ability to efficiently absorb and dissipate heat. Without the correct mass of refrigerant, the precise phase changes required for effective cooling cannot occur optimally. Identifying a refrigerant leak demands a methodical approach, as the escape point can be minuscule and difficult to locate. Common diagnostic methods include a meticulous visual inspection of all AC components for telltale oily residue, often indicative of refrigerant oil escaping along with the gas. More advanced techniques involve introducing a UV dye into the system, which glows brightly under ultraviolet light at the exact leak site. Additionally, electronic leak detectors, highly sensitive to specific refrigerant gases, can precisely pinpoint the location of escaping vapor, allowing for targeted repairs rather than merely topping off the system. The condenser, strategically positioned at the vehicle's front to maximize airflow, is vital for dissipating heat. However, its exposed location makes it highly susceptible to accumulating road debris, insects, leaves, and dirt. This accumulation forms an insulating barrier over its delicate fins, severely impeding the crucial transfer of heat from the hot refrigerant to the cooler ambient air. When the condenser cannot efficiently release heat, the refrigerant remains warmer, leading to reduced cooling capacity inside the cabin and placing undue strain on the entire system. Effective condenser maintenance primarily involves diligent cleaning. This process requires carefully removing any accumulated debris, typically using a soft brush or gentle stream of water, followed by low-pressure compressed air. Extreme caution must be exercised to avoid bending or damaging the fragile aluminum fins, as bent fins further restrict airflow and compound the problem. A clean, unobstructed condenser is paramount for maximizing the heat rejection process, which is a fundamental prerequisite for achieving and maintaining optimal cooling efficiency throughout the AC system. While not a direct component of the refrigerant circuit, a severely clogged cabin air filter dramatically impedes the volume of air flowing into the passenger compartment. This restriction means that even if the evaporator is producing adequately cold air, a significantly reduced quantity of that air reaches the cabin occupants. Consequently, the perceived cooling effect is diminished, leading to a sense of inadequate performance despite the AC system potentially functioning correctly in other respects. This often overlooked component can surprisingly impact occupant comfort and overall system efficiency. Fortunately, replacing the cabin air filter is among the simplest and most cost-effective maintenance tasks for improving AC airflow. Often located behind the glove box or beneath the dashboard, it requires minimal tools and expertise for most vehicles. A new, clean filter ensures an unobstructed path for air to pass over the evaporator and into the cabin. This not only restores maximum airflow and cooling potential but also reduces the workload on the blower motor, potentially extending its lifespan and preventing further system inefficiencies caused by restricted air movement. The evaporator, nestled deep within the vehicle's dashboard, is prone to accumulating dust, dirt, and moisture. Over time, this environment can foster the growth of mold, mildew, and bacteria on its fins. Such biological and particulate buildup acts as an insulator, significantly impeding the evaporator's ability to absorb heat from the cabin air. Furthermore, severe blockages can restrict airflow even before the cabin filter, compounding the cooling problem and often introducing unpleasant, musty odors into the vehicle's interior, signaling a critical need for intervention. Addressing evaporator contamination typically necessitates a specialized cleaning procedure. This often involves the use of antimicrobial cleaning agents sprayed directly into the evaporator core, sometimes requiring access through the blower motor housing or the condensation drain tube. In severe cases, partial disassembly of dashboard components may be required for thorough cleaning. Ensuring the evaporator's condensation drain is clear and functional is also crucial to prevent water accumulation, which is a primary catalyst for future mold and mildew proliferation, maintaining system hygiene and optimal efficiency. Beyond the common culprits, the AC system can suffer from various mechanical failures that impede cooling. A failing compressor clutch, for instance, might prevent the compressor from engaging altogether, halting refrigerant circulation. Similarly, a malfunctioning blend door actuator, an electromechanical device, could inadvertently direct warm engine heat into the cabin, overriding the cold air output from the evaporator. These issues often manifest as intermittent cooling or a complete lack thereof, necessitating precise electrical and mechanical diagnostics to identify and rectify the specific faulty component. While addressing primary faults is key, supplementary measures can marginally enhance cooling and efficiency. Ensuring all AC lines running through the engine bay are properly insulated can minimize heat absorption from the hot engine compartment. For optimal system health and performance, a professional AC service, including vacuuming the system and recharging with the precise amount of refrigerant, is invaluable. This also allows technicians to identify underlying issues. Furthermore, applying quality window tinting or utilizing reflective sunshades can significantly reduce the solar heat load entering the cabin. Understanding these intricate principles, common failure points, and preventative maintenance strategies empowers you to proactively address and resolve issues affecting your car's AC performance. By implementing these systematic checks and maintenance routines, you can restore your vehicle's air conditioning system to its peak operational efficiency. Do not settle for subpar cooling. Take action now to ensure your vehicle remains a consistently cool and comfortable sanctuary, regardless of the external environmental conditions, enhancing every journey.